Welcome to Naturally Healthy. Today we will explore a familiar ingredient in culinary and traditional medicine, turmeric. Turmeric is not only a spice in dishes, but also a wonderful medicine that helps reduce inflammation and pain, bringing many health benefits. In this video, we will learn about the effects of turmeric and how to use it effectively. Turmeric and curcumin. The main ingredient in turmeric, curcumin. The main reason why turmeric can reduce inflammation and pain is thanks to curcumin, a compound with powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin has the ability to inhibit enzymes and cytokines that cause inflammation in the body, helping to reduce symptoms of pain and inflammation. Many studies have shown that curcumin can help treat chronic inflammatory diseases such as arthritis, inflammatory bowel disease, and dermatitis. Health benefits of turmeric helps reduce inflammation and pain. Turmeric not only helps reduce inflammation caused by injury or arthritis, but also helps reduce symptoms of chronic inflammatory diseases. Curcumin in turmeric has been shown to effectively reduce pain and swelling. For example, one study has shown that turmeric can help reduce joint pain and improve mobility in people with rheumatoid arthritis. Reduces muscle pain and inflammation. Turmeric is also very useful for those who exercise regularly, helping to reduce muscle pain and inflammation after exercise. A cup of turmeric tea after a workout can help you recover faster. How to use turmeric? Drink turmeric as tea. A simple and effective way to use turmeric is to make turmeric tea. You just need to mix a spoon of turmeric powder into warm water. Add a little honey and black pepper to increase the absorption of curcumin. Turmeric tea not only helps reduce inflammation, but is also a drink that helps purify the body. Add turmeric to dishes. In addition to tea, you can add turmeric to dishes such as soups, curries, or smoothies. Turmeric not only adds color to the dish, but also enhances the nutritional value, helping to effectively reduce inflammation. Use turmeric in capsule form. If you do not like the taste of turmeric or want to supplement a large amount of curcumin, turmeric starch capsules are a great option. However, before using these products, you should consult your doctor to ensure that they are suitable for your health condition. Use on the skin. Turmeric can also be used to reduce skin inflammation. You can mix turmeric powder with coconut oil to make a mask or ointment to help reduce inflammation and soothe the skin. Notes when using turmeric. Warnings and notes. Although turmeric has many benefits, overdose can cause some side effects such as digestive disorders. People with liver or gallbladder disease or are taking anticoagulants should consult a doctor before using turmeric. Turmeric is truly a wonderful gift from nature that helps reduce inflammation, relieve pain, and improve health. You can use turmeric in your daily diet or as a supplement to maximize its benefits. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends. Leave your comments and questions in the comments section. We are happy to listen and share more knowledge with you.